So this is my 94 Camaro. Yesterday it stopped working. I don't know what's up with it. As you can see, I've got lights with the doors open. I'm going to put the key in, turn it to the first position. Get a little flash of stuff, but that's it, and no start. Sometimes it'll stay on for longer, sometimes it won't. It's weird. Still no starting though. I had to push it up here. I don't know, someone said the ignition relay. I don't know if that's the fuel pump or ignition relay. Previous owner did some stuff in here with security stuff that doesn't work anymore, so I don't know what any of this is. These two relays, I don't know, I got loose wires. If anyone has an idea of what this stuff is, either of these two relays flopping around here, I don't know. Let me know. And the lights are off after the key, so let me know what you think.